Before buying a Mig welder, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look good on paper, but the real difference is in how they perform when you're actually using them. Product number 1, YESWLDER 135A. The YESWLDER 135A Mig welder caught my eye right away, especially with its impressive price of just $109.99. If you want a budget-friendly, versatile welder that covers multiple processes, this is worth a serious look. With a 135 amp output, it can easily weld mild steel up to 332-inch thick. The digital display is a game changer, letting you monitor current settings in real time, which is crucial for precision. And it's portable, weighing only 11.4 pounds, making it easy to move around your workspace. Now, some people complained about the learning curve for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the settings, it becomes much easier. This welder is still a great investment for anyone looking to start welding. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you need to weld thicker materials regularly. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the 135A's limitations for thicker materials bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, YESWLDER 160A. The YESWLDER 160A Mig welder is another strong contender at just $179.99. If you're looking for something with a bit more power and versatility, this one deserves your attention. What sets this welder apart is its 4-in-1 capability. The Smart Control feature automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feed speed, which is a lifesaver for beginners. Plus, it has an advanced LED display enhancing your control over the welding process. However, some users felt that the manual controls were a bit complex. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, this might take some getting used to. But once you understand it, it's incredibly rewarding. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or someone looking to take on more serious welding projects. Skip this one if you prefer a simple plug-and-play experience. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious beginners. Product number 3, AZZUNO 130A. Next up is the AZZUNO Mig welder, priced at only $66.49. This one is perfect for those just starting out or for light-duty jobs. What really impressed me is how easy it is to use. With automatic voltage and wire speed adjustment, even total beginners can pick it up and start welding. It has a 130A output, which allows you to weld up to 3 of mild plate, making it suitable for small projects around the house. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight at only 8.6 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. Now, some folks mention that it struggles with thicker metals. Here's the thing though, if your projects are light duty or you just need something for basic tasks, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a DIYer looking for budget-friendly and portable options. Skip this one if you need to weld heavy-duty materials. For the price, it's unbeatable. Now, if you want something that comes with more features and accessories, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, BESTMIG 135A. The BESTMIG 135A Mig welder is next, priced at $109.99. If you're looking for a solid package with great accessories, this one is worth a look. This welder has a true output of 135A and can handle up to 1/8-inch thick materials. It's perfect for both MIG and stick welding. What makes it stand out is that it comes with an auto-darkening welding helmet and gloves included, which is a huge plus for beginners who need safety gear. The LED display allows for real-time monitoring, ensuring you have control over your welds. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't come with a TIG torch. Here's the deal, if you're primarily interested in MIG and stick welding, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive welding kit right out of the box. Skip this one if you need a dedicated TIG welder. For the accessories included, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that's a great option. But if you're looking for something even more advanced, the final product on my list might just be what you need. Product number 5. Bistarck 145A. Lastly, we have the Bistarck 145A MIG welder at $79.98. If you need a powerful, versatile machine, this one could fit the bill. This 3-in-1 welder excels in gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. With a maximum current of 145A, it's capable of handling a variety of materials, including stainless and carbon steel. Plus, it automatically recognizes voltage, making it easy to use in different environments. Some users have noted that the learning curve can be steep for complete beginners, but honestly, once you familiarize yourself with the controls, it becomes second nature. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a well-rounded welder that can handle different tasks. Skip this one if you're strictly a beginner who wants something very straightforward. For its versatility, it's a great deal. So to wrap it all up, we've seen the YESWLDER 135A for versatility, the YESWLDER 160A for more power, the AZZUNO for beginners on a budget, the BESTMIG for a solid package with accessories, and finally the Bistarck 145A for versatility at a great price. Each of these welders has its strengths and can cater to different needs. Choose based on what fits your projects best.